In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make beautiful contracts in Pandadoc. We'll walk through the entire process from starting a new document to adding your recipients, dropping in your contract terms, assigning signatures, and finally sending it out for signing. By the end, you'll be able to create contracts that not only look professional, but are also easy for your clients to review and sign. First, let's create the document itself. From your Pandadoc dashboard, look for the option to create something new. Click on the New button, then choose Document, and select the option to upload or select a file. This is where you bring in the base of your contract. It could be a PDF, a Word document, or another format that contains your standard terms. Once it's uploaded, Pandadoc will open it in the editor. Next, you'll want to add your recipients. This tells Pandadoc who needs to receive and sign the contract. In the Recipients section, type in the names and email addresses of everyone involved, such as your client and any internal signers. Take a moment here to double-check spelling and make sure you've added everyone who needs to review or sign the document, because this will control who can interact with which fields later on. Now, let's insert the actual text content for your agreement. On the right-hand side of the editor, you'll see a panel with different elements. Find the text block and drag it directly onto the page where you want your terms to appear. You can click inside that block to type or paste your contract language, adjust the formatting, and break it into sections so it's easy to read. Clean, well-structured text makes your contract feel more polished and professional. After your text is in place, it's time to add the fields that your recipients will interact with. Back in that right-hand panel, locate the signature field and drag it to the exact spot on the document where you want someone to sign. Do the same with the date field so your signer can easily add the signing date. You can add multiple signatures and dates if more than one person needs to sign. Once the fields are on the page, you need to assign them to the correct people. Click on a field and you'll see a small drop-down appear. Choose the recipient who should complete that field. Go through each signature and date field and make sure it's assigned to the right person. This step is crucial because Pandadoc uses these assignments to guide each signer through only the fields that apply to them. When everything looks good, it's time to send. Click Review and Send to take one last look at your contract. If you're happy with it, click Continue, and then choose Send Document. Pandadoc will email your recipients a secure link where they can open, review, and sign your beautiful new contract.